I told her she gotta come try it. They wondering what I've been doing. I told them I'm keeping it quiet. I pull up, you know I be moving. Whipping the foreign, I'm cruising. The money I'm speaking.
Hi guys, Lens here. So if you have a Samsung Galaxy A20s or just the A20 and you are experiencing your signal dropping, what you can do to rectify this issue is to put on the airplane mode and take off the airplane mode. This can actually help your device to work properly in getting steady signal. So if the problem keeps happening, I want to show you what you can do. You can perform a force restart, and to do this you want to hold the volume down and the power button and perform a force restart. By doing this, it will clear the memory and to refresh the phone system on a whole. So to perform this, you want to hold the volume down and the power button. Don't mind if it takes a screenshot, just keep holding. Now you can release. The phone is now turning on and we should be good. So the phone is now back on. You want to navigate to settings here. You want to scroll down. You want to go to about phone. You want to go to reset. You want to do a network reset, and by doing this you will be resetting the network settings. The settings can be changed from an app or something that can cause your device to drop signal and cause the network settings to be unsuitable. We are going to reset the network settings. You will not lose any data doing this, but you will lose the network information like your Wi-Fi password and information like that. Your Bluetooth devices that you had connected to, you will lose those information. So we are going to reset. This is network settings reset, and this should work like a charm, guys. You should be able to get good signal and everything should be working. If it happens that you're still experiencing network issues, I suggest that you go to settings and do a factory reset. You go to about phone, then you scroll down, you reset here and you click factory data reset, and when you reset your phone you will lose all the data on your phone, so you click reset. By doing this you will lose everything, guys. So when you hit delete all, it will restore your phone to factory setting as when you just got your phone brand new. So guys, I hope that this was helpful. My name is Lens. Like, share, subscribe and all of that good stuff. I'm out.